More intelligent and more educated than you arrogant twat that is out there talking rubbish. You want to come and colonize Nigeria.
Wait.
What Britain did in Nigeria, let me educate you, you're ignorant of this, was to see that it was easy to control the people in the north by climbing on the back, by piggybacking on the oligarchy, the oligarchical system, the feudal system in Nigeria. The Igbos were like, at some point, no, our life was terrible by your oppressive regime and the rulership. We need to be free. And that was the crime. When the Igbos and the Yorubas joined forces to say that we needed independence, what did Britain do when they finally agreed to let go? They made those Northerners who rejected English education, English religion, English way of life, the overlord over these two, who were civilized and educated, because it was easy to control the whole of Nigeria using the Islamic feudal system. And that is why we have the genocide, the massacre of Christians ongoing now in Nigeria. And what has Britain said about it?
Would you like us to come and colonize you again and sort it out?
To come and colonize us again?
Yeah.
Sort it out.
Yeah, should we go over and colonize you and stop the horrific slaughter of Christians?
No, but that's what you have created.
Yeah, so
when you talk about the benefit of the British Empire,
what
did as good as much as it did people as well. It's quite rich for you to sit there thinking you can patronize someone as me that is more intelligent than you are.
What is happening when we come in your country?
I'm more intelligent and more educated than you arrogant twat that is out there talking rubbish. You want to come and colonize Nigeria?
Wait. Were these massacres happening?
If you're allowed, can you?
Were these massacres happening under us?
As stupid as you
or
are,
did they happen when we left you to run your own country?
That's very stupid.
Were they happening?
I thought I was going to have a civilized conversation.
When we were running your country,
maybe I listened to you.
Were these massacres
You want
happening?
to come back and colonize Nigeria?
What a
damn stupid question. Very unintelligible question.
Under us.